Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back. Happy New Year. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded or anything, so this time I decided I was going to come back with a tutorial, a Valentine's Day tutorial. I just wanted to do something, you know, like I tell y'all, I'm not a makeup artist, something out of my comfort zone, and something, you know, a little fun, something a little makeup related. So I decided to record this Valentine's Day pink tutorial look for you guys. Hopefully you guys like it. You know, this, like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, so don't judge me. Not perfect. I was just having fun. Just wanted to do something. Just wanted to sit in front of the camera and just to record, you know, because I just love recording. So just wanted to create some content for you guys. So go ahead and watch this video. Before you do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button so when I upload anything like this or my vlogs, you won't miss any of them. At the end of the video, the final look, I actually did a pink lip with it, but then I also decided to try this, like, you know, if you don't want to have it being too matchy, you know, my eyes is already pink, like if you don't want it to, I don't know, if you don't want it to be too much, if you're not a person who wear makeup like that, then you could go ahead and pair it with a nude lip. I don't know, you guys can tell me in the comments below which look you like the best, with the pink lip or with the nude lip. So go ahead, let's get into this look. So first we have my Mario Badescu spray, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face all over just to moisturize my face, you know, add some moisture to that. Then I'm gonna go in for my eyebrows with my NYX micro brow pencil in the color Espresso, and I'm gonna go ahead whenever I'm ready because I seem to be taking my time. I'm gonna go in with that pencil, brush my eyebrows, the usual, you guys know, come see. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and draw on my eyebrows, following the line, you know, yeah, you know what I mean, following the arch of my eyebrows, and just go ahead and pencil that in. And then I'm gonna go in with my NYX full coverage concealer to go ahead and clean up my eyebrows. And to do that, I'm going to use, the brush I'm going to use is my Sedona Lace EB23 brush. So I do that and go ahead, clean it up, and make sure you blend, blend, blend. Then I'm going in with this brush. I forgot. You guys probably know what brush this is, but I forgot the name. It's not on the brush. It's erased. But yeah, you go in with that brush, and I just kind of like blend some more with that brush to help me out. So go ahead and just blend. You just want to make sure you blend everything. And then I also do the same thing with my other eye, and I also clean the top of my brows also. As you can see right here, it's such an awkward position, but it is what it is. Okay, so now eyebrows are done and good, fleek to the point. So now we're gonna get started on my eyes. So I'm gonna use again my NYX full coverage concealer. I just, instead of using a regular eye primer, I just decided to use that. And I'm just going to prime my lids for my shadow. It's lit. And then to set my concealer, I'm gonna go in with my RCMA translucent powder and go ahead and set it so the colors won't move. And I'm gonna use a blended brush to do that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Juvia's Place. I always want to say Juvia's Palace. I don't know why. I think it's because of all the royalty on it. But I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place palette using this brush. That's my Morphe's brush. You know, the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collab. Just gonna use that brush, spray it. I think the number is the J33 brush. I think I'm using something like that. And I'm gonna go in with that color. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna go in with that brown color that I'm gonna point to because this didn't have a name with the color. That light nude brown color right there, yeah. As my transition color, of course I'm clumsy. I'm gonna go in there, and I'm just gonna go all over my eyelids with that. Well, not all my eyelids, but you guys get the point. So just go over that and just blend, 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 blend. And I'm gonna do that with both my eyelids. Whatever I do to one eye, I do to the other eye. So just blend your life away. Blending is key, y'all. Key. Okay? There you go. The other eye. Key. Then I'm going in with, I think that's the J34 blush, blending brush. And I'm going to go in with that color that I just showed you, that darker brown color. I just kind of like move down to more of my crease and blend that into both of my eyes. The color is not really much of a difference either. Then I'm going to go in with my Sedona Lace brush in EB09 just to blend those two colors that I use together, because you don't want no harsh lines or anything. Then again with my other Juvia's palette, the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's, I'm going to go in with that dark brown color, which is called Fulani. I know that name because it's on there. I think that's a J35 brush I'm using. Listen, use your brushes. I don't know what these brushes are called. I'm just being my face. Okay? So I'm just going in on both sides of my face and blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going back in with that little purple brush that I told y'all I don't know the name of it, but y'all probably do. Just to add some concealer to my eyelids so that I could add that color so that it could be bright so you guys could see it. Color is good. And now I'm going to set it the same way I did before, because we don't want those colors to move, guys. We don't want them to go anywhere. Where they going? We don't want them to move. So again, in that Juvia's palette, we're gonna go in with that color called Bori, that bright pink color, because we want to shine. We want to shine, baby. We want them to see us. Go with that pink color and go ahead and just put that on your eyelids. Take your time so it can come out really nice, because you want to look cute for yourself or bae or with girls, whoever you're going out with this Valentine's Day. Okay? Do what you gotta do. Or take your time like I'm doing, obviously. Yep, we still blending, y'all. We still here blending. We're just blending. Blending it away. Alright. So now for some reason I'm going back in with that color Fulani. Just because you might have lost some of that color while you added that pink. So you just want to go back in and just blend. Like I told you guys, blending is key. So you're just kind of going with that brush, that blending brush, and go over it so you can blend everything together. Next, I'm going in with my Revlon Color Stay Liquid Liner. Love this liquid liner. Like, this is the GOAT. And I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyeliner on one side. I'm not going to show you guys the other side because I just struggle with doing wing liners or doing any liners. So why would I let you guys struggle with me? Yo, do what you gotta do. Then I'm going to go in with my Becca primer, and I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. Love this primer too. If you have oily skin like me, this is a good primer for you. This is the way to go. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with that primer. And then I'm going to go, this is a trick that I learned from somebody when I went, I forgot where was I? I was in PA, and like her face, she was a waiter, and her face was like not going anywhere. It wasn't moving. So I asked her what she used, and she told me about this. And ever since then, I've been using this, and this actually method has been working. So after I do my primer, I just kind of like set my face with that translucent powder. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. Full coverage. And I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation. That's the foundation I'm going to use. This is in the color, what color are you? Mocha. Color Mocha. And also make sure you blend your foundation really well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put on my lashes. Hold on, I got to tell you who these lashes are by. My Lash Me Up Cosmetic Lashes. I'll leave the description below if you guys want to check them out. I love them. But I struggle to put on these lashes, y'all. Struggle. So now I'm going to go in with my NARS concealer. I'm just going to go ahead. What color this is? I'm going to go ahead and, you know, conceal my under eye. And do my nose and all those places. I always spray my brushes before I blend my concealer. So that's something I choose to do. You don't have to do it. But the key, I keep telling y'all, the key is to blend. The key is to blend, blend, blend. You don't want no harsh line. You don't want nobody looking like you crazy, okay? Sitting at dinner and they're looking at you crazy. And I'm gonna go in with my black opal setting powder. Love that powder. So go ahead and set my under eye and anywhere that I highlighted. Set that. Set it real good. Don't mind me, y'all. These are things I do. So then go ahead and just set that. And then after, I'm going to use that brush. I'm going to just go ahead and kind of like sweep it away. I look crazy right now, right? I look ashy and all that stuff. Don't worry, it all come together. I always use this brush right here to just blend everything back in together. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Espresso just to contour. I don't usually just do this kind of contour, but for this video I will. And then I'll just go with this brush, my contour brush, and just go ahead and blend everything out really well. And I'm using my also my Black Radiance contour palette to contour in that color. So we just blending. And then I'm going in with also again with my RCMA translucent powder just to set my whole face because I'm an oily person. I don't want to look like I fried chicken on my face by the end of the night. Probably still will look like that, but it's alright. Okay. And then of course here goes my niece. She made an appearance because I was babysitting her while I was trying to record. So she just wanted to say hi to you guys. So just say hi back to her in the comments below, okay? And just so I wouldn't be ashy because of that translucent powder, I'm just going to go in with my powder from Kat Von D. Well, it's my sister's, but and then I'm just going ahead and powder my face. Then I'll go ahead and do our under eye shadow. We're going to go in with that brown color that I had went in at first on the top. It's kind of like you repeating the same process. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I only use the 2 brown colors this time. And then you guys know me, I love my highlights. I like to glow, baby, glow. So for my birthday, I got this palette, Dose of Color palette by Desi and Katie. It's called Chasing the Sun. And honey, with this palette, you just glow, okay, baby? You just glow. Oh, you see by my, okay? You be knowing. You just go ahead and glow and let them see you from a mile away. This is a trick I've learned to spray that. Oh wait, I forgot my eyeliner. We all know, put my eyeliner first before my highlight. You don't gotta do things in order sometimes. Sometimes it's okay to do things out of order. So I'm just gonna go use my NYX. What did I use? Yeah, my NYX. Clearly I like NYX. My NYX eye pencil in the color black. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do my bottom eye, my waterline. That's what it's called, waterline. I'm gonna go in with my mascara, Bad and Sex mascara by Too Faced. This was also a birthday gift. Love this mascara. So I'm just gonna do my lower lash line. I like for it to be a little dark sometimes. You know, it looks nice. So do that. And then I'm gonna go in with my MAC pencil for my lips to line my lips in the color Chestnut. This pencil right here, I'm sure you guys know it is the GOAT. It's like the perfect brown pencil to line your lips. So that's what I use. Use that. Then I'm gonna go in with my, I think that's ColourPop. It's a pink color. I forgot the name of it, but you can use any pink. I use that on my lip. So yeah, then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Primer Set Refresh to set my whole face so nothing won't go nowhere. Okay? And then fan yourself, baby. Fan yourself. And right here, here's the look. Slow motion for you guys of the finished product. Go ahead and enjoy this look. Get into this look. If you want, you can switch the lip color like I said in the beginning. Okay? And get into this look. and just go ahead. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.